Hillstone Secure SD-WAN Solution. Hillstone Secure SD-WAN Solution provides centralized management, zero-touch provisioning, and superior quality of service, with active link monitoring for fast, simplified and protected SD-WAN networking. This solution is based on Hillstone security devices, providing the most comprehensive security for SD-WAN deployment. This video is going to demonstrate how to set up an SD-WAN network for the clients in each branch, to securely access the server in the headquarters via VPN connection. In this demo, there are 4 branches connected to the headquarters. The firewall device in the headquarters is deployed as single hub with 2 interfaces, and it is already registered in the HSM, the Hillstone Security Management System, which will be the centralized controller in the SD-WAN networking. There is a server with IP address 172.16.1.1 in the headquarters. With the SD-WAN configuration, we would like to allow the clients in each branch to be able to access this server via VPN connection. We have set up the demo environment via virtual machines. Before the SD-WAN is deployed, let's have one of the clients ping a server in the headquarters. You can notice that the client cannot reach the server. Now let's set up SD-WAN via Hillstone HSM. Under Device tab, there is the firewall in headquarters already registered in HSM. Next, we will need to create the VPN network. Click New Star Network. We will need to choose the hub device, which will be the headquarters firewall. And then choose single hub with double WAN interfaces, finish the rest of the configuration. This will create a VPN network profile, which will be later on issued to the firewall devices in the branches. Before adding branch devices to HSM, we need to create the initial configuration for them first. In the initial configuration, we can configure SNAT, DNAT, destination route, security policy and IQoS. In this demonstration, we created a demo configuration including the destination route, which tells the route for the branch to reach the headquarters, the SNAT for the internal client to access through the tunnel interface, and the security policy that allows access from Trust Zone to VPN Hub Zone. The initial configuration can be configured differently according to users' needs. Now we will add the branch firewall devices to HSM. Click Add Device. The ZTP configuration checkbox must be checked here so that later on we can export the ZTP configuration file for branch firewall configuration. Enter device name as branch 1. Copy the device SN number here. The initial version must be same with the firewall version, which is 5.5R7 in this case. Choose the VPN network in the initial configuration we just created. Create a new WAN configuration for the branch device WAN interface. After the branch 1 device added, we can generate and export the ZTP config file. The ZTP is a compressed zip file. Here is the decompressed configuration file. Now we are going to the branch 1 firewall device to restore configuration using this configuration file we just obtained. If the firewall is a hardware device on a remote location, users can also plug in a USB disk with the configuration file stored to configure the firewall. After importing the configuration file, we must restart the firewall for the configuration to take effect. Then this device will be registered to HSM with the initial configuration. Then we will add the rest 3 devices in the same way. After all these steps done, we now notice that the first device, branch 1, is activated with IP address displayed. Before we can view the VPN topology, we need to enable the VPN monitoring. Let's go to Device Management, Monitor Configuration, enable all the monitoring for all devices. Back to Device List, we can notice the branch 2 device is now connected but haven't been configured. After a while, it is under ZTP deployment. We need to wait for a while for all devices to be activated and the configuration to be done. Now all 4 branch devices are activated. Let's test the connectivity between the client and the server. We can notice that the client 1 can ping the server successfully. It is same for all 3 other clients. Next, let's go take a look at the VPN topology. Here the VPN network is successfully created. Each branch firewall device is connected with headquarters firewall device through 2 redundant VPN links. Through this demo video, we demonstrated how to set up an SD-WAN network, how to add branch devices and issue initial configurations.